Khan Academy Powers of 10, and we're working on the subtopic Powers of 10. Which of the following is equivalent to 100? So what we need to remember is that 10 to the 2, or 10 to the power of 2, is really 10 times 10. 10 to the power of 3 is really 10 times 10 times 10. 10 to the power of 4 is really 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. And 10 to the power of 5 is really 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. So it's telling you how many tens there are. So we know that 10 times 10 is 100. So 10 times 10 is also the same as 10 to the power of 2. Which of the following numbers is equivalent to 10 to the 5th power? Well, 10 to the 5th power is going to be 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. And if we use those numbers that we already know, then we should know that 1 times 1 is 1, and then we need to add 5 zeros on the end. So this 5 up here can kind of remind you that that's 5 zeros. So 10 to the 5th is going to be 100,000. Use the cards to create an expression that is equivalent to 10 to the 4th. Okay, so that means I need to have 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. So they're telling you that it's 4 tens. 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. What exponent will make this equation true? So 10 to the what power is going to be 1,000. Well, I can look right here and I see that there's 3 zeros in my answer. So that means it has to be 10 to the 3rd power. Match each expression with its exponential form. So 10 to the 2 means I have 2 tens. 10 to the 3 means I have 3 tens, which is going to make me have 3 zeros. And 10 to the 4 is 4 tens. Which of the following is equivalent to 1,000? Well, I have 3 zeros in my number. That means it's going to have to be 10 to the 3rd. Which of the following numbers is equivalent to 10 to the 6? So again, that means I need 10 6 different times. So 10 times 10 times 10 all the way 6 times. So that means I'm going to have 6 zeros in my answer. So 1 million is going to be my correct answer. Now notice they put that 60 in there and they put that 6 million in there to kind of get you thinking that that 6 has to do with something. It's just telling you how many tens there are.